Yeah, I'm excited to be back with the guys, playing the game that I love, and trying to make the team better around me and be there for the guys. So play my role. I think it's important to be in the best shape possible to be myself. Yeah, in the second I thought we battled back, and in the third we just couldn't connect to capitalize. But you got to learn from it. We got to be better and turn things around, and we got next game in 2 days.
And what's the key focus coming into the new year and heading towards the second half of the season?
I think just staying with it, stay out of the box, be really prepared for every game, play every period like we did in the second period today. And I think if we do that, if we do those things, that we're gonna be good.